Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by placing the photo into Gemini and confirming languages. This is where the translation work actually starts. First, tap Upload or drag the image into the workspace so Gemini can analyze it. Once done, make sure to select the source language or let Gemini auto-detect if uncertain. You will also choose the target language now. This short step reduces recognition errors and prepares the system to extract text accurately before you proceed to editing or translating the recognized content. You now inspect Gemini's OCR output and correct mistakes so the translation is reliable. After OCR finishes, review highlighted text blocks and manually edit any misreads. Common issues are punctuation, special characters, and line breaks. Once corrected, choose layout options. Preserve original formatting if you need the same look, or choose text only if clarity is priority. Then confirm the clean text. This ensures the translation engine receives accurate input, which directly improves translation quality and preserves intended meaning. You translate the clean text and verify the result in preview mode before exporting. Use alternate translations or synonyms if a phrase sounds off, and adjust tone settings if Gemini offers them. Then export as an image, PDF, or copy the translated text to clipboard. Make sure fonts and encoding display correctly. If the translation fails or text is garbled, retry OCR with a higher resolution photo or paste corrected text manually, because rerunning OCR or using manual input usually resolves recognition-related translation errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.